Oh yeah, they're horny. Really horny. Today we cracked 100,000 views for another Star Wars video. It's a milestone. I think I'm well enough to start talking again, but I'm entering the snot-producing phase of this illness. Thank goodness for tissues. Specifically in Star Wars wrapping. I'm going to be using up all these boogers today. It's been a few days since I've been able to talk about Star Wars. It feels good to talk about it again. Specifically because DK sent us Chronicles of the Force with an exclusive Lego minifigure, one of Onkar's thugs. Ooh. Ah. You know, Jedi's the one who started it today because she woke up and immediately said, R2, R2, R2.
Yes, she did.
More?
Yeah.
I've only been wearing this for 5 minutes, but already it's one of my favorite t-shirts of all time. Thank you, Mike.
Yes.
Jedi?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Yeah.
I just turned off the TV for a minute. She needs it on. We were watching Star Wars. You need more Star Wars? Where are you, Star Wars? Could you narrow it down? I see a lot of guys.
They might have been doing yoga.
I've got new comics in my box, and I've yet to read the ones that I've picked up months ago. Jedi's got a Mimi for every room in the house. They're all Star Wars Mimis, too. Some of them a little too large. For her. I'm not saying that Star Wars is too large. Baby want a cracker. I'm talking to myself again, aren't I? I should probably save my voice now that it's come back. Nah. Oh, I shouldn't have done that.
The sun's coming out.
Tomorrow.
Let me know if you need sunglasses. Try them on.
I'm driving.
I'll try them on for you.
Thank you. No, that's not how it works. I'm wearing glasses already. Okay, now I just look like a geek.
Oh, those are cool. I like those. They look good on you. They look better on you than they do on me.
Whose bright idea was this? That's worth 2 points. Spider ball. What will they think of next? More? Daddy needs to learn not to stand so close to ride the spaceship. Press that button. But not that button, because that's the eject button.
Yeah.
Off? No, you just started. You've got 10 more minutes of this. We want to get our money's worth. That's not how it works.
The day before yesterday, I recorded the video. I'm so ready to share it and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. But first I just have to wait for it to get approved. But the good thing is that it is recorded and it's pretty much ready. It's ready to go public. That's why I've been so tired, just feeling so drained, because all these emotions that just poured out while I was recording the video. And the funny thing is, I had no idea that I was gonna record it yesterday. I had no idea. I felt it, and I just said, this is it. I'm just gonna do it, and I did. And I don't regret it at all. So I'm excited and nervous. And I think what really pushed me to want my story out there is seeing stories of people, of young adults committing suicide because they feel so hopeless. And that's the worst feeling. I want them to see it, and I want them to know that you're not alone, and hopefully it brings awareness to this cause.
Daddy made some matcha green tea. It may be too hot for you too, Jedi. What the heck happened to your staff? Did you get a baby broom? Yeah. I think it's just the hot water that feels good. Because I can't taste anything. Diana's whipped up a dinner of lemon chicken and olive oil drenched cauliflower. I used one of my gift cards today to pick up a Jango Fett car, as well as a Darth Maul Infinity figure, which was finally on sale, coupled with Chewbacca. They join the rest. Though Jedi jarred loose one of Ahsoka's lightsabers. Okay, I'm done talking about Star Wars for a while. Jedi found these shiny stickers at the store when Mommy was looking for a ribbon. And here are the 4 comics that'll go into the stack. Darth Vader 22, The Force Awakens, Han Solo 2, and Poe Dameron 4. What? It was 2 minutes before I talked about it. Thanks for taking a second right now to tap the like button before you watch our next story, and for interacting with us across social every day. Your support is always appreciated, and if you'd like for us to keep sharing our daily story with you, we hope you pledge on geekfamilyfun.com. You'll get even more of what you love from us: advanced screenings, behind the scenes, and most importantly, you'll ensure that we can keep doing this for you. See you tomorrow!